What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another amazing cooking video, and today we are going to cook chapati and beans, chapos and boshos. So stay tuned. But like this video, comment, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's get straight into the video. So we have flour here, amasujui flour unga. We have warm water here, we have sugar, we have salt, and we have oil, and we have boiling boshos here, or boiling beans. This is sugar. We're adding 2 spoonfuls. Salt. We then mix.
If I can lay down beside you, I would.
We're adding bit by bit as we need.
I hope that you are safe and that
So I saw this technique somewhere, but it was not for chapatis, it was for making soft tortillas, and I decided, why can't I try them on chapatis? And I tried it, and the outcome was nice. So I'm always going for this, whereby I mix the water and the flour and the oil together, instead of kneading the flour first with water and then I add oil later. I just mix them together. I put a little amount of water, I also put a little amount of oil, I mean, bit by bit like that. Like, I think it makes the oil to spread evenly.
I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.
And so our kneaded flour is ready. We're going to leave it for a while before we start making the small balls and cooking. See that? Look at that. Just look at that. And it's so soft, guys. I want my chapatis to be soft. Look at that.
There's not much to do.
So meanwhile my beans are ready, mbosho iko tayari, and the aroma that is coming from this food, let me tell you, the aroma pekee, it will make you want to taste my food. You should try out this recipe. Look at that. Just look at that. Supu nayo tumewakilisha. So my dough is also ready. We're about to start working on it. I like putting my oil in such a bottle while cooking chapatis to avoid excess wastage of the oil. Well, you know that style of using a spoon to scoop. I'll be dividing the flour into 2 large balls.
Every night, love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you,
Out of oil on top of this one big chapati. I've made a small hole on this bottle right here. And this is the point where the layered chapatis come from. This step is where the layered chapatis come from, guys. make sure you don't skip this step if you want the layered chapatis.
If I can lay down beside you.
So after applying the oil, I'll be cutting into small pieces. I like using a spoon because it cuts well more than a knife. I don't know why.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
You can also use this technique instead of rolling this big piece of dough. And I think this is the easiest. You don't have to use a lot of energy. Look at that. It looks like it's already rolled. So I have my pieces here, my divided pieces here, 13 pieces that I'll be working on. So let's start.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night.
So guys, you're done. The food is sweet, the food is yummy, and this is the outcome. And now it's time to eat. But before that, kindly make sure you like this video, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Yeah, most importantly, like and subscribe. Yeah, so thank you for watching to this far. Meet again in the next video. Bye. Make sure you try this recipe.